that's kind of a hot topic and has been one for the last couple of years. The whole topic of like, how do you measure engineering productivity? How do you convey velocity and all that? And why should you really stop measuring lines of code as a measure of productivity? And I think metrics are a great starting point because a lot of companies care about them. More companies want them, and they're also oftentimes used as a tool to dehumanize people. But I also think they have a lot of power in actually connecting with engineers as humans again. And so if you're a line manager or you're sort of a tech lead or even middle management or an executive, doesn't matter. The thing you can do is basically look at the metrics that your company is using and look at which ones of them dehumanize people. Lines of code is a really good example because it's just a BS metric. It doesn't actually convey anything useful. It's just it doesn't help anything. But what does help is essentially helping teams take ownership of the work that they're doing. And metrics are a fantastic way of doing that. Give your teams metrics that they can own. For example, when it comes to the services they're owning, the goals that they have, the business impact that they're looking to achieve. Have your teams actually own those metrics in the sense that they have visibility into them. They have dashboards that they can look at. They have monitoring capabilities that they can actually implement, that they can utilize over time, that they can make better. You can also do things like simple delivery metrics, lead time, cycle time, things like that. So the first part is basically giving ownership to the teams, not having ownership with the executive somewhere or with a business intelligence team somewhere, with the team directly, making sure they know what the metrics are, they can measure them, and give them the power to influence those metrics.